Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. It is a very exciting day today. I was going to do a video of this, but I decided we just do a live on it because I was so excited and I just wanted to share this with you. Let me see if I can explain this before I really get into it. Of course, you know that we're doing a lot of woodworking with a lot of reclaimed wood. We always have. Lately, we've been doing a lot of charcuterie boards, and that's really cool. We get the chance to use some really interesting wood. But what you may not know is that there are a lot of pieces of that wood that we just don't get to use because they're just too funky. Or they may have splits or cracks or voids in them, and it just makes them unusable because we don't want to make a cutting board with things that have voids or holes in the wood because that's a place where food and stuff will collect and bacteria would grow and all that. But if we have a way to fill those voids in a beautiful way, then now we're onto something. And epoxy is the way to do that. We're just getting into epoxy, and we're navigating through the industry, and we're looking for somebody that can be our go-to for epoxy products. So I've been reaching out to some of the leaders in the industry and trying to see if we can hook up with some of these people and, be partners with them. So anyway, today I've got the first box from some people that I have been super excited about getting in touch with, the people at a company called TotalBoat. And I know that may sound odd as it relates to woodworking, but as it relates to marine quality products that are waterproof, like epoxy, then this is exactly what they do. So anyway, we've got a box of stuff here. I haven't even opened it yet. I wanted to save it for all of you because I'm not entirely sure what all is in here. I know that when I spoke with them, there are some specific epoxy products that we're getting, but I'm very excited to see what else might be in here. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because this is the beginning of a new leg of our journey, and we're going to get to really incorporate some really cool stuff into our charcuterie boards, and maybe something else too. I don't even know yet. I mean, artistically speaking, there's no telling what we may wind up doing with this. So let me see. Let me get my spectacles on here because I can't see without them. Oh, me. This is going to be cool. All right. This is like Christmas. All right. Very cool. Okay, so this is just some pumps for the epoxy thing. Oh, yeah. Lots of nice little mixing tubs, which are, as far as mixing up the epoxy, the little mixing containers are critical. So that's perfect for that. Yes. So this is the main thing right here that I was looking for. This is what they call Thickset. And this will let us, this is the epoxy and the hardener, if I'm not mistaken, of how this system works together. So we'll mix these together. We can tint them with color if we want to, or we can leave it clear, whatever. But we'll mix the epoxy and the hardener together. It'll create a chemical reaction, and then we'll pour it into whatever void we've got, whether it's a hole or a crack or whatever like that. And then it will cure and it will harden, and then we'll be able to plane and sand it, and it's just going to be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this, I'm very excited about this. If I'm not mistaken, this traditional 5-in-1 epoxy resin, this is more of a thin pour, like maybe 1/8 of an inch thickness. So this is a thin pour, and I think they said that this is going to be like an amber color, which that will be beautiful. That'll be gorgeous. So I can't wait to see what to do with that. Some hardener, which will go with that. Yeah, more cups, mixing sticks, and look at that. Always love to get a t-shirt. Always love to get a t-shirt. TotalBoat, Jack. This is awesome. Awesome. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is exciting, and it's a lot of fun. And so I'm gonna like wear you out with videos. I'm gonna be posting videos and pictures and stuff of us using this and finding our way with it, finding what works, finding what we like, finding what you might like. I don't know. You can tell us what you like, and you never know. We may inspire you. You may see us doing something really cool, and you may say, hey, I bet I could do this over here, like that. So you never know. The possibilities are endless with this stuff. I mean, I will say this. So in the woodworking world, for purists, a lot of woodworkers feel like epoxy is grossly overused, and I get it. You know, there's something to be said for taking a piece of wood and using it as it is. And when you incorporate the epoxy into it, you're taking that piece of wood and you're kind of modifying it. And some people don't like that. I get it, but at the same time, we want to make the most of what we've got. I don't want to waste that stuff, you know. And I've always said, I don't think I'm that great of a woodworker. So anything like this that will give me an extra edge creatively, I'm all over it. I'm all over it. So anyway, I am super duper excited about this. And so in case you forgot, TotalBoat is the name of this company. And they are, I don't even know if I'd say one of the leaders. They are a leader for sure within the epoxy industry. And so I am humbled that we are even able to make contact with them and that we're able to do some stuff like this. So cannot wait to post some stuff and show you guys what's going on. So thanks a lot for hanging out here with me and watching me open the box. We'll have some projects coming up. So stay tuned. We'll see you later. Thanks.